Detailed analytics can help you make better decisions about publishing your next course on your LMS site. In this video, discover advanced analytics for your LMS, detailed insights from course performance to earnings. First, navigate to the Academy LMS Addon section. Search for the Advanced Analytics add-on and turn it on. Once the add-on is activated, click the Settings icon, and it will redirect you to the Academy LMS dashboard. Here, all your platform's critical analytics come to life. On the dashboard, you'll find detailed analytics, including courses enrolled, total earnings, total refunds, and total discounts. Scroll down for even more data, such as popular courses, last enrolled courses, recent reviews, newly registered students and instructors. Monitor platform growth in real time. Filter for course analytics for each course. Here, you'll find detailed data for all your courses, helping you make data-driven decisions. Switch to Student Analytics to gain insights into your learners' activities. From this section, you can export Student Analytics using the three-dot menu. Click on Details for a deep dive into a specific student's activities. With advanced analytics in Academy LMS, tracking your platform's success has never been easier. Stay informed, make data-driven decisions, and elevate your e-learning game. Subscribe for more tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.